I think I messed up. I used to believe that heroes were only found in stories until I learned about Martin Luther King Jr. Imagine America in the 1960s, a nation divided by color and creed. Amidst this turmoil, Martin Luther King Jr. stood as a beacon of hope. With a philosophy rooted in nonviolence inspired by Gandhi, King's words not only moved mountains but moved the hearts of millions. "I have a dream," he proclaimed, "that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character." These words, spoken during the March on Washington, became a defining moment in the fight for civil rights. Through boycotts, marches, and speeches, King tirelessly fought for justice. The Montgomery bus boycott, which he helped lead, sparked the momentum for desegregation, while his role in the Selma marches paved the way for the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Though his life was tragically cut short, King's legacy endures, inspiring generations to continue the fight for a fair and just society. Martin Luther King Jr. didn't just dream of a better future, he awakened a nation to the need for it.